In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a URL for your Google Calendar on mobile devices. We'll walk through the steps to copy the embed source code so you can include your calendar wherever you need it. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in Google Calendar and hit search. This will take you to the Google Calendar homepage where you can access all your calendar events. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to adjust your settings to make the embed process a bit easier. Look at the top left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the menu represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. Tap on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This is an essential step as it gives you access to various options needed for navigating through the calendar settings. Now, while still in the browser, you'll need to switch to the desktop version of Google Calendar. Why, you ask? Because the mobile version doesn't provide the embed code we're looking for. To do this, tap on the settings menu in your browser, usually found in the form of three vertical dots located at the top right of the screen. From there, select Desktop Site. Your browser should now reload and present you with the desktop layout of Google Calendar. With the desktop site loaded, navigate over to the calendar you want to embed. Find the specific task or event that you want to embed. Here's another critical step. Locate the three dots next to your calendar name or task. Tapping on these three dots will reveal a submenu with additional options. Look through this menu and tap on Settings. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down the page until you find the section that contains the embed code. You'll notice a URL or similar code that allows you to share your calendar publicly. This code is your golden ticket to embedding your calendar. Typically, you'll want to hold down on this link until your device prompts you with options such as Select, Copy, or Share. Tap on Copy to save the embed code to your clipboard. And there you have it. You now have the embed code for your Google Calendar saved to your clipboard, ready to be utilized wherever you wish to display your schedule. Whether it's on a personal blog, a professional website, or any platform that supports HTML embedding, you're now equipped to share your calendar efficiently. That's all for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy embedding!